Hey guys, it's Corey B. I am riding my Meepo board today, and I am going to be comparing the SelfieSpin360, I've got my GoPro locked into it right now, to my version of the SelfieSpin360 that I made 2 years ago. This is literally just a coat hanger with the GoPro mount that actually came in the box, that was displayed in the box when I bought it, with a few holes drilled through it and zip ties. And then I have fishing wire tied to the ends, and that length of fishing wire goes down to my handle, which I just put a screw with a little eye screw through the screw so that it can pivot around in circles without getting tangled up. So I'm going to compare this to my SelfieSpin360 while I'm riding my Meepo board today. So the first thing I need to note is the SelfieSpin is way easier to carry in my pocket. I couldn't even fit this whole hanger in my pocket without it kept falling out. Here's the SelfieSpin, and this fits very nicely right in my pocket.